I didn't bring the keys. Damn. Oh, wait, they're right here. Why didn't it start? There we go. Oh, boy, this is beautiful. Key. I mean, I'd like to make a plate here, put a horn button in the middle. See what we can do. Who knows? We've gone ahead and traced our pattern here for steering wheel cutout. I have no idea. I mean, Puddin' just says, gotta start with a pattern. Gotta start with a pattern. I mean, I kind of like it. I think. Can I set you up here? Probably not. I don't know. I can't do any of this. Can't put you here. Can't put you there. Corners, maybe. Yeah. Round that over. I like that much.